Today you'll witness some of the best pilots in the world, flying some of the best machines in the world, maintained by some of the best mechanics and other maintainers on the planet. And lastly, Yuma, thank you for taking time to come out and join us this year for this air show.
Yuma, thanks for having us all here, sir. He didn't see a white flag of surrender. Instead...
Oh, say does that star-spangled o'er the land of the free.
Your Panos and the drum major, Gunnery Sergeant Jeffrey Parks. Let's hear it for the...
and cheese, now straight to my knees.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Semper Fidelis.
I can't hear you, ladies and gentlemen. Ground task force. The call sign for this Captain Paige Rose and its crew chiefs are Corporal Madge Ally and Corporal James Cash. The CH-53 Echo entered service in 1981. Shukran Sajida and Lance Corporal.
The observer and combat-ready F-35 pilot, Captain Julian Kinnan. Captain Kinnonen is a combat veteran fighter pilot with more than 1,700 hours in aircraft and hails from Washington State. I feel the same way, even when we're at home practicing once a week.
Fighter, 5th generation fighter. Now let me tell you something interesting about this F-35, and I'll stop when it gets too noisy.
I had to replace the motor and last deployment.
Okay. As you said, it costs way more than maintainer. There's would not